Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video, we're going to be doing a review and a test of this melodysusie lamp. It's good for UV resin. It's also good for nails, and it's good for other things. But this is the one that we're going to be doing a review on. And for this video, of course, you're going to need your melodysusie lamp. We're going to create a necklace, so I got this leather necklace already made. I'm going to be doing one of these patterns. And I just recently went on vacation and I got a lot of these things on the ocean, and I like to really create things with it. So I made this one right here. I really like to make things that look unique. So I made this, and we're going to make something similar. So you need your UV resin, you're going to need your mold, you're going to need 2 of jewelry pliers, you're going to need a ring, and you're going to need any color that you may add, dry flowers or whatever you want. The first thing that we need to talk about this machine is that it says that it's faster to cure than other lamps. It's easy to replace the bulbs. It comes with an extra bulb plus the ones that are installed inside. It has 4 built-in bulbs, 1 in each side and 2 of the on top. It doesn't harm on your eyes or your skin, so that's a good thing. It's low heat and painless. So if you were to insert your hand, you will be okay because it's not gonna burn you. And it's also for manicures, pedicures, and other things. But the reason why I use it is because, you know, I do a lot of DIYs, and I've been using resin a lot for a while. So now I'm getting into using the UV resin. Okay, so another thing about this lamp is that if you look here, this is the on and off button right here, and then this has 3 different settings. It's 120 seconds, 30 minutes straight, and 180 seconds. So once you set it up at the place where you want it, then you press this one, and this is the timer. So once you press that, then it's going to turn off by itself. I usually use it for 180 seconds plus 120 seconds because I leave my jewelry most of the time for 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and try it out. Like I said, I already did this one here and I really like it. So now I'm going to be doing a setting for this here. These 2 I got in Puerto Vallarta. I really like to work with seashells and things from there. So the one that I'm going to be using is going to go ahead and sit it there. You can also use color, but I decided I don't want to use color with this. So you go ahead and sit your whatever you're going to use in there. If you're going to use dry flowers, if you're going to use other little pieces, you need to put the resin first. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and put the UV resin, and I'm going to be putting all the things, all the items that I use. I'm going to put links in the description box for you guys. So basically I'm going to just go ahead and fill it up. And let me remove this a little bit. We want to make sure that it goes around where the little ring goes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and let this one go inside and place it where I want it. So I think that's where I want it, right there. And I'm going to fill up all the other gaps so that it's completely full. It doesn't really make a lot of bubbles, but if it does, you can use a toothpick to get rid of them. So I got these are bigger toothpicks that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I really like them. So I can go ahead and pop the bubbles right now. so there's no bubbles in the jewelry. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on, and then we're going to set it up to 180 first. So now we're going to go ahead and put our jewelry inside. Press on the bottom button, and there you go. Okay, so we're going to do 180 seconds and then switch it over to 120. So I'll see you back. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and it already turned off. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, and I'm going to put my lamp aside so you can see really what happened. So here you go. This is how it came out. I think it came out really pretty, really pretty. So the only thing that I need to do is make sure that there are no little pieces around, which is not. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 8mm ring, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. And we open going this way, not this way. If you go this way, it's going to deform your ring. So we're just going to go ahead and go this way and this way, and then we're going to go ahead and put it in right there, and then we're going to go ahead and insert the leather necklace. We're going to put it in there, right there, and then we're just going to go ahead and close it. And there it is. You have a new necklace right there. Look at how beautiful that is. So the lamp is about $38, and then to make it, this one cost me $2 already made. It's already made, and then plus the ring and the resin. If I was to sell this item, I would probably sell it for like between $9.99 and $12.99. So that's about it, you guys. So that's it for me today, guys. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.